You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to integrate FAQs in Shopify. So I'll quickly show you how to create a FAQ page on your Shopify store. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Apps. After doing that, I want you to tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. From here, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in FAQ page. Then you're going to tap on Avada WhatsApp Chat FAQ page and you can see that it is highly rated and also you can install it for completely free. So you're going to tap on install. After doing that, you're going to be led to a new page and you're going to tap on install once more. Once it has been installed, you'll be redirected to the Avada FAQ dashboard. So once it has fully installed, I'll show you what to do next. So you can see the page loading up right here. Once the page loads up, all you will need to do now, we can tap on skip right there. Then you're going to simply close this. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you can start setting up your FAQ page. All you'll need to do is tap on Set Up FAQs. So we're going to tap on Go to Settings. From here, you can add in the questions that you would like to add. So for example, you can edit the questions that they have preset. So you can simply hover over a particular question, tap on the pencil icon. Then from there, you can edit the category, you can edit the question, and you can also edit the answer. Then you will tap on Save. After doing that, you can go on, and if you would like to add a new question, you can tap on the plus right here, and you will be able to add a new question and answer. You can also scroll down and you can add new questions and answers, as you can see right there. If you like to create a new category overall, you could tap on Add Category in the top right-hand corner and you could type in the category name, and you can also add an icon if you want. As for example, you can see that this one is for order and shipping. You can see the icon, a little cart icon. You can also see this one is for exchange and return. So if you'd like to add one for payments, you can tap right there and you could set up a category for payments. Now, after doing that, you could also go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on widget. So if it is a case that you would like to create a widget with your FAQ, and you can see an example of how it would look right there, you can change the format. So you can change it from light to dark mode if you want. So you can edit the appearance and you could turn on the widget option. If it is a case that you would like to add an FAQ page, we can tap on FAQ page right there. And again, you can choose whether it is light mode, dark mode. You can see right there, you can also edit it. You can edit the header color and the question colors and so on. You could tap on preview right here to preview the page. All we'll need to do is tap on turn on. So let's do that real quick. Now that you have turned on the page, if we were to tap on desktop right there, you can see a desktop preview of how it looks. So all we'll need to do now, once you have tapped on preview right there and you have now created your first page, you're going to go back over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you can tap on Avada Help Desk Q&A. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can set up the first welcome message. So you could tap on Go to Settings. And from there, you could set up your first welcome message. If you like to create a pop-up using Avada, you can also do that. So there are numerous options that you can use. But we are going to be enabling the app. So we are going to tap on Enable App. And we are going to be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. Once it is black like this, that means that it is toggled on. And then from there, you will tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. After you have tapped on save, you can see that we have a small icon right here in the bottom right hand corner. And if you were to tap on it, you can see right here that FAQ section pops up and they can ask anything. So for example, can I exchange an item? After doing that, you can see the answer right there. So a small widget appears in the bottom right hand corner. Now we can go back. So we'll go back real quick. After going back, if it is a case that you would like to also add the page, you can also do that. So to add the page, all we'll need to do, we could go back, tap on apps, then tap on Avada Help Desk. After we have tapped on Avada Help Desk and we are redirected to the main dashboard, all you'll need to do now, from here, you could tap on Setup right here, then we'll tap on Go to Settings. After tapping on Go to Settings, you're going to tap on Preview once more. Then after tapping on Preview, you can see an example of how it looks. We're going to simply copy the URL. Then we're going to go back and we're going to tap on Online Store from the left-hand menu option. And we're going to select Navigation. After selecting Navigation, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on Add Menu. After selecting Navigation, you're going to tap on Main Menu. Then you're going to tap on Add Menu Item. And from here, you could type in FAQs, for example. Then you could tap on the search bar right here, and you could paste in the URL that you have copied. Then you'll tap on Add. After you have done that, you can drag it into position. So I'm going to delete this page real quick. And I'm going to simply drag it up. Then from there, you can tap on Save. So I'm going to drag it up. I want it to be its own page. And I'm going to tap on Save. Once you have added the FAQ page and tap on Save menu, if I were to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on View Your Online Store, you can see that it has been added to the navigation bar right here. So if I were to tap on it, you can see how it looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.